There's no denying that we live in a world where having an efficient and well-organized desk setup is essential for boosting productivity and creating a comfortable work environment. Thankfully, Amazon offers a wide range of innovative gadgets and accessories that can transform your ordinary workspace into a productivity powerhouse. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and unproductive at your desk? Is discomfort and cable clutter hindering your workflow? Look no further. We've compiled a list of the top 10 desk setup gadgets available on Amazon that will tackle these challenges head-on and transform your workspace into a productivity powerhouse. Read on to find out more. Tired of dealing with tangled cables and low battery? Say goodbye to the frustration of tangled charging cables and low battery anxiety with the Anker wireless charging pad. With the Anker wireless charging pad, charging your devices becomes effortless. Just place your smartphone on the pad and it'll power up like magic, keeping your devices powered up and ready for action without the hassle of messy cords. No more cable clutter, no more frantic searches for charging cables, just a seamless wireless charging experience. Cable clutter taking over your workspace? Tackle the cable clutter nightmare with the Cable Management Box by Yakai, the ultimate solution to tame those unruly cords. Organize and hide power strips, chargers, and cables in this nifty box and enjoy a neat and safe workspace thanks to the multiple cable slots. Bid farewell to the tangled mess and create a clutter-free environment that boosts your focus and productivity. Get ready to declutter and reclaim your focus. Sick of feeling sluggish after long hours of sitting? Combat the discomfort and health issues caused by prolonged sitting with FlexiSpot adjustable standing desk converter. This innovative gadget is here to liberate you from the confines of traditional sitting desks and introduce you to the world of ergonomic standing workstations. With the FlexiSpot adjustable standing desk converter, you can effortlessly switch between sitting and standing positions with just a few simple adjustments. No more dealing with cumbersome levers or complicated mechanisms. This converter operates smoothly, allowing you to find your ideal height and position effortlessly. Now you can stretch your legs and relieve the pressure on your lower back, improving blood circulation and reducing the stiffness that comes with extended periods of sitting. Typing becoming a painful experience? Upgrade your typing experience with the Logitech MX Keys Advanced Wireless Illuminated Keyboard. This ergonomic and backlit keyboard offers a responsive typing experience, ensuring comfort and precision as you work. Say goodbye to squinting at keys in dimly lit environments. The Logitech MX Keys also features adjustable backlighting that automatically adjusts to your ambient lighting conditions. The result? Crisp and comfortable typing day or night, allowing you to work with ease even during those long night sessions. You need a more productive and precise mouse? Pair your keyboard with the Logitech MX Master 3 Advanced Wireless Mouse for a seamless computing experience. With customizable buttons, a comfy grip, and precise tracking, you'll breeze through tasks with newfound efficiency. Say goodbye to scrolling struggles and hello to seamless navigation. Desk space limited and monitor not in optimal position? Clear up your valuable desk space and achieve the perfect monitor positioning with the Vivo Single LCD Monitor Desk Mount Stand. Tilt, swivel, and rotate your monitor to achieve ergonomic bliss, reducing strain on your neck and eyes while also creating a more ergonomic and spacious workspace. Get ready for a desk that's as flexible as your work style. Inadequate or harsh lighting hindering focus? Illuminate your workspace with the Tautronics LED desk lamp, which features adjustable brightness levels and a built-in wireless charging pad. Tailor the lighting to your preferences, reduce eye strain, and charge your compatible devices simultaneously for a well-lit and clutter-free desk. But that's not all. The lamp comes with a wireless charger that brings the future to your desk, eliminating the need for tangled cables and extra charging adapters. Simply place your Qi-enabled lamp on the charging pad and watch as it powers up without the fuss of cords. Stationery and accessories always disorganized? Get your stationery and accessories in order with the Simple Houseware Mesh Desk Organizer. Featuring multiple compartments for pens, notepads, and other small items, this organizer keeps your essentials within reach and your desk clutter-free for enhanced productivity. Worried about losing critical data? Safeguard your important files with the Seagate Backup Plus portable external hard drive. With ample storage space and fast data transfer speeds, this reliable gadget allows you to back up your data regularly and keep your information safe and easily accessible. Feeling lethargic during long work hours? Stay active even while seated with the QB Pro Under Desk Elliptical. This compact and quiet gadget lets you exercise your legs during work hours, promoting blood flow, boosting energy levels, and helping you stay focused and alert throughout the day.